This is how to go viral on TikTok in 2023 from scratch. I made a few of these videos before, but I'm making another one for all my new followers and all the new techniques you need to be adding in 2023 to go viral. I've helped myself and other clients hit over 100,000 followers, and I've now built this account from zero just to show you how to grow from scratch on TikTok. I don't want to overcomplicate this because I feel like people make this such a big fucking deal. Everyone uses these strategies, and I want you to use them too. If you're a business owner or a creator who's looking to monetize and leverage this platform, lock in on this video right now. Number one, do not niche down. If you're starting brand new on this platform, if you niche down, you are going to pigeonhole yourself. TikTok is loving personalized content right now. Learn how to make yourself the niche and figure out the things that you like, the things that you stand for, the things that you want people to know you for. That's what you need to be posting on this platform. What do you want to be known for? Who do you want to serve? How do you want to serve them? And by posting that type of content and not niching down to a specific space is going to help you to figure out what your audience needs, and it's also going to make them trust you more. Number two, posting 3 to 5 times a day. Every single day. It really is that easy. I have nothing else to say about that. Number three, utilizing SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. This is where in your videos, you're using common phrases that people are searching for on TikTok. And you're not only speaking that in your videos, but you're also writing that text in your videos as well. This way your video shows up on the For You page. Number four, timeliness. If you want to add short form content to your long form content, it is super important that you hop on trends as they're happening. Listen, I'm not actually a huge fan of trends, but if you're going to do them, make sure you do them timely. If you don't, your videos definitely won't hit the For You page. So if you want to jump on that trend, make sure you jump on the trend when it's trending. I feel like that's common sense. Number five, create different variations of content, long form, short form, create your own audios, use duets and stitches, and create not just educational content, create more personalized content, adding your personal opinion, your experiences, the things that you have gone through, the things you believe in into your content. This is going to help you figure out what your audience wants most, and it's going to give them a chance to get to know you better. Number six, go follow 5 to 9 people in your space and look at the hashtags that they are using. If those hashtags work for them, it's probably going to work for you too. Now go out there and start making content straight away and start posting. That's it.